Yeah. Hi, Mylene, right?
Yes.
How you doing? Great to meet you. Yes, we're here at Indio Bravo Film Festival at the MoMA, and we're so proud to have Mylene Dizon with us. So tell us, like, how proud are you to be the opening night movie dito sa MoMA? And this is where they show like big films.
I know, this is really, ano ba to? How can I say this? I'm overwhelmed by the fact that my film is going to be shown here at the MoMA. I came to America, to New York, just because, by the mere fact that it's going to be screened at the MoMA, I need to have my picture taken. I don't think this is ever going to happen again. I am still overwhelmed by that fact.
And your picture has to be with me too.
Of course.
No, any advice to like actresses, filmmakers out there, how to pursue this dream?
How to pursue the dream? Well, me, I just do my job, and I try to, do it very well. And kasi when you have good material, and you have something to sell that's really good, it's not difficult to get to where we are right now, which is at the MoMA. I just do my job eh. Ganyan lang naman talaga eh. You just do it well, and if you like what you do, if you really want to become a good actress, then you have to love your job. So that's my advice.
And all I can say is congratulations. We're so proud of you.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So photo op na tayo.
Halika.